Elementor have changed their pricing. Well, they haven't changed it. They've just modified it a little bit for a promotional period. Here's what I'm talking about. By the way, I'm still a big Elementor user, right? I love using this tool. It is my favorite. Now, obviously, you got the Elementor Cloud website, which is $99 a year, and that includes Elementor Pro. That hasn't changed, but it's the website builder costs. You could have a single plan, and it went all the way up to 1,000 licenses, which was $999. Now, that 1,000 license plan did get reduced by, I think it was 30-40% or something, but please don't think it has completely disappeared, because it will probably come back at some point in time. But what they've now introduced is a 100 website plan, which is $299 for the first year, and then it goes back up to, well, when I say go back up, it goes up to $499. Now, how long will this promotion last? I don't know. Is it indefinite for a good period? I think that what Elementor have done is they have surveyed the market, looked at other page builders as well, and they've said, okay, we want to just kind of break it down a little bit and give something back to our users. But if you weren't aware of it, you can now get 100 licenses for $299. I still like using Elementor. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.